Hello everybody, Iryna is here and we continue IPA training. IPA stands for International Phonetic Alphabet, and the sound which we are going to learn today is called close back rounded vowel sound OO. Well, why is it called so? It's called so because we need to use our lips, our tongue and our vocal cords. Close back and rounded refers to your tongue, so it will be positioned nearly at the top or high in your mouth and at the back of your mouth. And the lips are staying rounded, as if you want to kiss someone. So look at me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this is your sound ooh. Now, how the sound ooh spelled in the words? There are quite a few options here. As a rule, it can be spelled with the letter O or with double O, like in those examples. Who, 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 or two, two, two. It can also be spelled with the letter U, like in this example. Use, use, use. Or it can be a letter sequence O, U, G, H, like in this example. Through, through, through. And one more option is E and W, like in this word. Few, few, few. Now, where do we position it in the words? As a rule, there are no words which start with the sound OO. However, there are plenty of examples of it being in the middle of the words, like here. Student, group, school, move. So as you can see, the sound U is in the middle. And it can also be positioned at the end of the words, like in those examples. Do, to, view, value, value. So this is the sound OO. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.